Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to disable Let's Finish setting up your device prompt at startup. This prompt usually shows up after installing updates or setting up a new user account. It's a part of Windows welcome experience, reminding you to set up features like Windows Hello, Office 365, and OneDrive. However, it can be frustrating if you don't want to use these services. One way to exit out of this window is click on Remind Me in 3 days option. That should exit out of this window. Once you're on the desktop, to disable this prompt, there are a couple of steps which you could try. Now, the first step what you could try is to disable this from the Windows setting. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go and click on system. Now on the right hand side, you will have to locate notification and then click on it. Once you're on the notification option, you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom until you find additional settings. Click on it and uncheck the options whatever you have here to disable this prompt. Now this should disable this prompt from the computer. Close this window, so next time when you install the updates or restart your computer, that should disable the prompt on your Windows machine. Now the second method to go ahead and disable this prompt is from the registry key. To do this, you will have to open Registry Editor. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run, and in the run window you may go ahead and type reg edit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you're on the Registry Editor, I just want to let you know that please make sure you follow the steps accurately, just in case if you make incorrect registry changes, there are chances that your computer may not work as you expected. So once you're on the registry editor, what you could do is you can go ahead and expand HKCU current user and then expand software, locate software and then expand software. Under software, you will have to go ahead and locate for Microsoft. It would be in alphabetical order. Expand Microsoft by clicking on this arrow. Under Microsoft, you will have to go ahead and locate for Windows, expand Windows, and then expand current version. Under current version, you will have to locate for user profile engagement. Select user profile engagement. Now on the right hand side, once you have selected user profile engagement, on the right hand side, you would find a registry key for system setting enabled. Now here you will have to change the value from 1 to 0. Now to disable, you will have to change the value to 0, and to enable this feature, you can change the value to 1. In this case, since I want to disable this prompt, I will have to do a right click on the key and then click on modify, change the value from 1 to 0, and that should go ahead and disable this feature, the prompt on my computer. You can go ahead and close this window, and next time you restart your computer, you should not be getting the prompt. This is one way of doing it. Alternatively, you can also use PowerShell to create the registry key value, the one which we created. In case if you're comfortable using the PowerShell, you can also use this option to disable the prompt. To open the PowerShell, you will have to go to search and type PowerShell. You will see the best match. You will have to locate Windows PowerShell and do a right click and run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the PowerShell window open, you will have to copy the command from my video description and do a right click, and that should paste the registry key on the computer. Once you paste the registry key, it will go ahead and create a ScoobeSystemSettingEnabled 0 registry key on the computer, which will disable the prompt on the startup. So this is how you can go ahead and disable the prompt. So with this, you should no longer see the let's finish setting up your device prompt at startup. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.